Hello, folk. Welcome back to Raphael Cooking Style, your and my YouTube cooking channel. So today we're gonna have berries smoothie. First thing we're gonna do is soak some oat milk. I got 4 tablespoons, and I had 500 milliliters here. But at the end I will add 100 more, so it will be 600 milliliters. Almond milk. I have 2 cups of frozen strawberries. I got around 140 grams frozen avocado and frozen raspberries. And also we are gonna use 1 tablespoon of almond mousse. It's called that. It will be like an almond. How you say it is mousse, kind of. Yeah, we're gonna soak it for 10 minutes. The oat milk. Yeah. After our 10 minutes are gone, we're gonna add all our fruits. They are all frozen, so we don't need to blend it into two sessions. So we're gonna just add all our fruits, just blend it, and we are so far done. So remember, in the channel there are several smoothies. I guess around 6 or 7 already videos I have uploaded. And you can use them. We use them combination with a lot of sports. You see, here is where I tell you about the extra 100 milliliters of almond milk. You can combine this smoothie with a healthy diet, full salads, full sports for your diet if you are pretending to lose a little bit of weight. So and here we are, just adding a little bit of color, red one smoothie. So I hope you like it, everyone. Check all the other videos into the playlist from smoothies and drinks, and have a good journey. Take care, everyone, and see you in the next video.